Hi student, this is Aragya ma'am from Maxinol அனைத்திலும் கணிதம். Unit 1 Geometry Part 2. In this video, we are going to focus on try these sum and exercise 1.1. Try these first. Tick the correct alternative. First question. The shortest distance between the points C and D is shown by the segment CD or the curve CD. The segment CD means, yes, it's a straight line, isn't it? But particular line segment, it must be ended, isn't it? So segment na ஒரு part மட்டும்தாமா, ஒரு துண்டு, கோட்டு துண்டு. So but curve CD means from the word curve, from the first letter C, C for curve, isn't it? So C வே அப்படியே ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க, it's வளைஞ்சிருக்கு இல்லையா? So C for curve இந்த மாதிரி வளைஞ்சிருக்கணும். Clear? இப்போ இதுல எது shortest distance ன்னு கேக்குறாங்க. Shall we check? Okay, see here. So segment go fast but the curve comes late, isn't it? So இதுல shortest distance is segment CD. Clear? Put the tick for this. Then come to the second question. Line PQ and line QP represent different lines or same line ன்னு கேக்குறாங்க. So PQ, P ல இருந்து Q க்கு இல்லையா? So this is line PQ and line QP, Q ல இருந்து P க்கு. Clear? So இது ரெண்டு different lines தான் same line ஆன்னு கேக்குறாங்க. So both comes under in between only, isn't it? So answer is same line. Third question. Point C lies on the ray AB or ray BD. ஏற்கனவே சொன்ன மாதிரி ray must be start in one end point and then it moves on endless, isn't it? Okay, like that arrow given. Okay, come to the portion. Point C lies on the ray AB. AB ங்கிறது, yes, this is one ray and then BD ங்கிறது next ray, isn't it? So இப்போ இதுல C எங்க இருக்கு? In between the AB, isn't it? So answer is AB. Clear? Fine. Fourth question. Segment MN has infinite or finite length. So segment வந்து நமக்கு ஒரு line இல்லையா? So இதுல infinite னா it is endless. There is no end for this line. Okay. So that is infinite. But for finite, yes, just a limited portion, isn't it? Okay. So MN ங்கிறதும் அதே மாதிரி தான். So it has a finite length. கரெக்ட் தானே? எம்ங்கிற இடத்துல ஸ்டாப் பண்ணிட்டாங்க, அதே மாதிரி எம்ன்ற என்ன்ற இடத்துலையும் ஸ்டாப் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. ஸோ இட்ஸ் அ ஃபைனைட் லென்த். ஹோப் யூ அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட்? குட். ஸோ ஃபிஃப்த் கொஷின். ரே ஆர்டி இஸ் அ பார்ட் ஆர் இஸ் நாட் அ பார்ட் ஆஃப் த லைன் டிஆர். ஸோ இங்கே லைன் டிஆர்ங்கிறது, எஸ், தீஸ் டூ, isn't it? ஸோ இந்த லைனுக்குள்ள ஆர்டிங்கிறது ஒரு பார்ட்டான்னு கேட்குறாங்க. எஸ், இட்ஸ் அ பார்ட், அதுக்குள்ள தானே இருக்கு. ஸோ is a part is the correct answer. Hope you understand. Second, write the type of angle. Here we have 4 questions. So look at the first one. It look like L, isn't it? But in downwards. See, I'll give the answer for your reference. We have types of angle here. Look at this right angle. It's in L shape but in downward. The same we have in here, isn't it? So the answer is right angle. Clear? Then come to the second question. It look like A. A தான் பெண்டா இருக்கு. இப்போ பாத்தீங்கன்னா தெரியும். இதுல பாத்தீங்கன்னா A வந்து left side பார்த்த மாதிரி இருக்கு. இங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா right side, isn't it? Clear? So this is also an acute angle. So அது இந்த ஷேப்ல தான் இருக்கணும்ங்கிறது இல்ல. Whatever if it turns in any side, sure it's an acute angle. 90 degree கம்மியா இருந்தாலே sure it's an acute angle. Come to the third. We know that straight line, isn't it? So the answer is straight angle. நல்லா பாருங்க, இதுல upwards ஆ காமிச்சிருக்காங்க கீழ இருக்கக்கூடிய இதுல, but in our question downwards, isn't it? So upwards or downwards, it's not a problem. So it's a straight angle. So last is an obtuse angle, isn't it? More than 90 degree. So this is also looking downwards. Hope you understand. எதுக்காக இது எல்லாமே downwardsல கொடுத்திருக்காங்க? You have to understand whatever position, it's not a problem. It must follow the conditions of the given definition. Okay. Exercise 1.1. First, write the measures of the complementary angles of the following angles. So from here we are going to do the sum. So listen carefully, but it's easy. Just we have to do the subtraction, right? So I'll help you. So complementary means 90 degree. இதில் என்ன angles கொடுத்திருக்காங்களோ 90ல இருந்து subtract பண்ணாலே நமக்கு இன்னொரு angle கிடைச்சிரும். Clear? Let us do. So here is the solution. So first sum 45 degree. So 90ல இருந்து 45 degree minus பண்ணணும். As usual procedure for subtraction, right? So 90 மேல போட்டு கீழ 45 degree. So if we yes, subtraction symbol is very important. So from 0 it's not possible, isn't it? So as usual, strike out and write above, and then from 90, அதாவது 9 இந்த பக்கம் இருக்கு இல்லையா, அதுல இருந்து ஒரு tens கொடுக்கும்போது we get 10 degree here. So what about in 9? Yes, if we cancel, we have 8, isn't it? So 8 for 80. அந்த இடத்துல 80 angle இருக்கு. So அதை மறந்துடாதீங்க. Okay. நீங்க as usual 8 போட்டாலும் okay தான். So 8ல 4 போச்சுனால 4. We will get the same answer. So 10 minus 5, 5. And here 8 minus 4, 4. So நீங்க 80ல 40 போச்சுன்னு நினைச்சு மைண்ட்ல பண்ணாலும் 45 degree only. Clear? As usual நீங்க subtraction பண்ணுங்க. Sure you will get the answer. Right? So 45 degree ஓட இன்னொரு angle. Like this you have to write the answer mark. The complementary angle of 45 degree is equal to 45 degree. Clear? Okay. Come to the second. Yes, I have given all the answers here. Just you have to do subtraction. 90ல இருந்து 30 minus பண்ணீங்கன்னா sure we get 60 degree. நேரம் உங்களுக்கு ஈஸியா இருக்கும் இல்லையா? So 9ல 3 போச்சுனால 6. So 60 degree. As usual you have to write the answer like this. Complementary angle of 30 degree is equal to 60 degree. Okay. Let us see all the answers like this. For 72 degree we have 18 degree is the answer. For 88 degree, see here 88 after 88, 89, 90. So only 2 degree is there, isn't it? So 2 degree is then another angle, right? So the complementary angle of 88 degree is equal to 2 degree. Come to the 38. Yes, 52 is the correct answer for this. Just you have to do subtraction work here and then check the answers from here. Okay, so you're all bright students. You have to work out by yourself and then check the answer here, right? Good. Second sum. Here we are going to subtract from the 180 degree. That's it. The same procedure. It's easy, isn't it? Okay, I'll give the answer. See, solution 80 degree. So 180 degree la 80 porchana? Yes, 100 degree, isn't it? So that's it, answer. So supplementary angle of 80 degree is equal to 100 degree. Hope you understand. Yes, remaining and all you have to do. Just don't copy from here because you are all bright students, isn't it? You are all excellent. So no need to copy from here. Just you do by yourself and then check your answers here. The same procedure. Whatever maybe here we are going the following the same procedure. இதை இங்கே படிச்சிட்டு விட்டுறாம it will come in 6th or 7th, whatever may be. Just keep in mind. அவ்வளவுதான். Complementary means 90ல minus பண்ணோம். Supplementary means you have to subtract from 180 degree. That's it. Clear? Just check all these answers ma whether I have done correct or not. So hope you understand. In this video, I try to make you understand, I think. If you have any doubt, ping me or ring me. மெய்ப்பொருள் காண்பதறிவு. Like a Hellcat.